Hi friends, welcome to a fresh new month's weekend. It's Saturday and let's do something practical. In our last playlist of hosting and domain, we were discussing about after hosting and domain purchase from WebspaceKit, how to install SSL, how to go to the backend of the WordPress and start designing, and today what I am going to cover is that practically how to create a subdomain in WebspaceKit. And without wasting time, let's dive into the topic. So friends, this is the video about how to create a subdomain in the WebspaceKit backend. For that, first log in to the WebspaceKit using your email address and the password. Click on login. So the dashboard will open up. This is the dashboard. Scroll down slowly. You can see the main domain name of the WebspaceKit which you have purchased. Here in this, near the active, you can see a manage button. Click on manage. It will open up a page like this. Scroll down slowly. You can see cPanel here. Click on cPanel. It opens up the cPanel of the WebspaceKit. Then scroll down slowly till you see the domain written. So you can see the domains written. In the domains, click on domains inside that. In the domains, click on domains. So you can see already this student has a main domain. It's written as main domain and also a subdomain already created. Right now, this is the main domain and the subdomain which is already there. Now I am going to create one more subdomain in this WebspaceKit. So that to create one more subdomain, click on create a new domain. It opens up a page like this. Once it is selected, select this text box and select, for example, my subdomain. I am giving it as portfolio. So type portfolio dot the main domain name. The main domain name is glow with Soumya.com. So type in your subdomain. This is your subdomain name. Dot, put a full stop or dot and write your main domain name. So the subdomain of this main domain, one of the subdomain is portfolio. That's the name which I have given to the subdomain. After that, click on submit button. Once you click on that, wait till you see a success written over here. Let's wait. Now it's creating a subdomain. As you can see, success, you have successfully created new portfolio.glowwithsoumya.com domain is being created. Okay, as you can see, earlier there was only two. This was the main domain and there was one soumya.glowwithsoumya.com subdomain was there. This is the new domain which I have created, new subdomain which I have created. Now subdomain is created. Now the next thing is that we have to install the WordPress in this subdomain. You have to install the WordPress in this subdomain. For that, go here, click on WordPress Manager. Once you come in WordPress Manager, as you can see here, the subdomain which I created is not there. Okay, that is Soumya.glowwithsoumya was the subdomain which was created earlier. That is there, and the main domain is also there. That is glowwithsoumya.com. The subdomain portfolio.glowwithsoumya.com is not created because It's created, but it's not shown here because the WordPress is not installed in it. So what you can do is click on install, click on this button, install. As you can see, a page opens like this. First what you have to do is, very important, please note, what you have to do is click on this and put it as 5.8.8. First you have to degrade the WordPress things. This is how you install the WordPress inside this inside the WebspaceKit. So click on 5.8.8. After that, click on the selected subdomain, that is portfolio.glowwithsoumya.com. I have selected it. Scroll down. Put in your admin name and password. Here I am going to give admin name as Soumya. And the password which I am going to give is anything, any password you can give. For time being I am giving Soumya, SOUMYA, sorry, MYA, SOUMYA @123 @. That's the password which I am giving. And type in your admin mail. That is, in this case, this is the mail which you have purchased your WebspaceKit hosting. So this is the mail. Put in that same mail itself, and then please cross check once again whether these things are correct, because there can be chances like it got shifted to something else like this or something else like the main domain. So you have to correctly see that it is selected like the subdomain which you want to install the WordPress. So after that, cross check once again everything and click on install. And now the WordPress is being installed in this subdomain. Just wait. You have to wait for like 30 seconds so that the WordPress gets installed inside it. Wait for some time. It's getting installed. Yeah, it's done. As you can see, congratulations, software has been installed successfully. Software is nothing but the WordPress. Okay. Now, after this, click on return to WordPress management. Click on return to WordPress management. As you can see, now the subdomain is being created and the WordPress is also installed in that. But one problem here is that the WordPress we have installed is a lower version of the WordPress, and it's not updated because literally I took the second version, that is 5.8.8. now it's 6.4.4. so literally I'm going to upgrade it to 6.4.2. okay, so click on upgrade now. Again scroll down, click on upgrade once again. Literally we are moving from 5.8.8 update of WordPress to 6.4.2, which is the latest update of the WordPress. So click on upgrade. Wait for like 30 seconds max. It won't take that long, but maximum is 30 seconds. Wait, the new update is getting installed in the subdomain. While this is going on, don't click anything, just wait. Yeah, now it's done. So the new update is also updated. Now next thing what we have to do is go back to the folder tab. You can close this tab. All these things is done in here. You can close this. Again go to cPanel. Clicking on cPanel, go to cPanel. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. As you can see, it opens up the cPanel. Click on SSL. This is to install Secure Socket Layer or the SSL certificate. Type SSL over here and select the third option, or else select the SSL TLS status. That's the option you have to select. SSL TLS status. We are literally going to install SSL in the subdomain. So I clicked on it. Yeah. Click on it. Check everything. Check the checkbox over here so that everything will be selected. and click on Run Auto SSL. Click on Run Auto SSL. So it's running right now. It's to install the SSL certificate on all the subdomains and main domains which is created with the latest version. So click on Auto SSL. It will take some time. So be patient. Don't click on anything else. Just wait. So little waiting for the SSL certificate to get activated. Yeah. Now you can see something like success, the auto SSL has been completed for all the pages, and it will reload once again. As you can see, all the green locks coming in. See, you can see it should be like all green. Okay, then only the SSL certificate is activated. If it's not green also, don't panic. It will take sometimes minimum 3 to 6 hours to get the SSL certificate it's all green. It takes some time for the SSL certificate to get activated, and it will show like it is all green. So you are good to go. Now the thing is like how to open up the subdomain which you have created. For that you can close all this. Okay, go to dashboard. You can log out of the WebspaceKit account. Okay, now open up a new page and type in the subdomain which you have created, that is portfolio dot portfolio dot grow with Soumya.com/wp admin to get inside the backend of the subdomain. It will ask for password, so we are typing the password once again. The email address I have given, and the password will be and login. The same password which you gave while subdomain creation has to be used, and you can see that the subdomain is created and we are inside the subdomain, and this is the subdomain which is portfolio.glowwithsoumya.com, and if you click inside the URL you can see it like it is having HTTPS, that is secure socket layer, and this is HTTPS full form is hypertext transfer protocol secure. Once you get this only, the site is activated with the SSL. So and it has the SSL, and now right now you can work on the site and design the site. This is how you create a subdomain. Now how to create the SSL for this subdomain and how to go to the backend of the WordPress is already explained in the previous video of this playlist. It's the same way as you create in the main domain, so you can go and refer that. The link will be given below this video. You can click on that and get into that. It's the same way which you create the SSL and go to the backend of the WordPress in the subdomain also. So that's why I'm not repeating it. And friends, that's all for today. And tomorrow it will be a new practical topic which will be really interesting to do. So tune in to our HBNet channel at sharp 5:30. Till then, this is Bryce signing off behalf of HBNet. Thank you. Have a nice day, and let's meet again on Sunday. That's tomorrow.